Welcome back to another episode of Trench Tech. Today we are unboxing the Crenova mini projector. Full transparency, this projector was provided by them for me to review. On my last projector review, it was their full-size version, the Crenova projector, which I still think is a decent projector. But this one, wireless and mini. One of the things that's sweet about it, hey look, you can see me. Hi guys. Anyway, it's got HDMI, micro USB, it's got Android built in, it's got wireless for Chromecast mirroring, airplay, all that fun stuff. Built-in sound, auto Keystone. It is supposed to be a beast of a machine. So thank you, Crenova, for providing the projector. The video itself is not sponsored, and everything is my own opinion. So let's get this bad boy cracked open. This is everything. We'll wait to talk till. This is everything that I was hoping the last Crenova was. Magnetic case. Oh man, I am so excited. This thing is tiny. This is exactly what I was hoping for. So nice. So this is about the size of my phone. I actually have a spare phone. Let me grab it. So this is an iPhone 8 Plus. So comparison-wise, this thing is tiny. I am so excited. So excited. So my guess is we got a speaker here, the viewport here, focal adjustment, SD card, USB, power button, DC charge, another USB, HDMI, and a headphone jack. Oh, I am so excited about this thing. Let's see what else we got in the package. Little remote. Power, what I assume is menu, home, click. So 2 AAA batteries. This is an HDMI cable. I'm not gonna lie, I used to care about getting those, now I have too many. And the power. Honestly, I'm surprised it didn't come with batteries. I would have rather had batteries than an HDMI cable. So, that is it. We are empty. This seems to be like some sort of universal charging cable. So if you lose yours and need one, here are the specs. So 2 amp, 24 watts. The reason why I think it's a universal is because it's got these, like, I'm not sure how to open it, but it doesn't make sense. Oh, push that button. It only came with the US adapter, which is good. That's wearing it. Let's power this bad boy up. Let's see if there is a charge. Oh, there we go. Let's find a wall so we can get this going for you. So the shimmery that you're seeing is just from the effects of the camera lens, so apologize for that. But I wanted to show you the auto keystoning, so I'm going to lift this up because it's going to auto keystone itself outside of the camera view. When I bring it down, it's going to be off and you'll see it auto adjust. So that's pretty sweet. I did go to the Wi-Fi menu and connected to my Wi-Fi. It was kind of a pain in the butt, but it did work. So for me, I like the idea of being able to mirror with my iOS device. I can't do that right now because I use my phone to record. So we're going to try it from a Mac that I have. So let's click iOS mirroring. So it says, look for this device. So let's see if I can figure this out. To see if I can actually mirror. Yeah, that definitely looks way weird. That like purple, yellow stuff, I don't see that on my end at all. So as you can see here, I've got the whole Apple screen. So you can see that it's logged in. This is just AirPlaying the entire MacBook to the projector. I did turn the sound off so that we didn't have to deal with that, but I can turn it up here. Of course I do it when it's finished. That's...
You don't have to be a tech YouTuber to get sweet deals on the stuff you find online.
So we got Linus Tech Tips here. So it makes it really cool. It transitioned the audio over here and it transitioned the video. And again, it auto keystones. And like if I was using a better wall or screen, it would look better. This is just a piece of corrugated plastic. I'm trying to make this makeshift screen for you guys. So let's go ahead and hit the home button.
20,000 sites, including Newegg, Best Buy, GameStop.
And we've got YouTube itself. So you could go straight to YouTube right from within this, which is pretty sweet. Let's see how long it takes to load here. Let's skip sign in. Oh, pretty sweet. So it brings up the regular kind of TV experience. So we could come here. It says use the mic, but we don't have a mic as far as I know. Hello? Yeah, that is not a mic button. I'm not sure what it did, but it made it so I can't click anymore. Oh, there we go. So we can come here. It's definitely slow. Of course. Well, it does have this, so let's see if I click on that, if it does have audio. Yep, it does not have audio. Well, allow YouTube. Let's hit allow. Trench Tech. Trench Tech. No microphone. That would be a nice feature. And it crashed. So let's see what else we got here. This looks like Bluetooth of some kind. Yep, which I don't need. Well, I wonder if you could connect a Bluetooth speaker. That'd be cool. Projection settings. Auto keystoning on or off. We're connected to Wi-Fi already, general. So this is basically just the settings for Android itself. So let's see if there's an update. Doesn't look like it does anything. Let's try apps. The one thing that would be cool is if you could install Plex. Like that would be a game changer. Let me sign in and we'll see how it goes. All right, well, it is attempting to download Plex. The thing has 2 USB ports, so I plugged in a mouse and a keyboard, and it works, and it makes it so much easier. So hopefully this actually downloads. Oh man, I'm super excited. All right, guys, Plex is installed and working. It's kind of slow, but it's no different. I've got an original iPad that we let the kids use sometimes, and it's no slower than that is. And so that makes it great, because once you can start a show, who really cares? I am so excited. I am so excited. This is freaking awesome. I would suggest getting a little mouse and keyboard though. I'll link to a few down in the description along with the projector itself, because it would make it a lot easier if you had one of those mini wireless USB mouse and keyboard combos. But now, if we come here to apps, we got Plex. I'm sure you can get the other popular ones as well. Netflix is already here, Disney Plus, Hulu, etc. But that is freaking awesome. We can even use a calculator if we want. That's funny. Why it's here. So, sweet. Well, guys, thanks for watching this initial unboxing and quick look at, the Crenova mini projector. If you have any questions about it, leave those down in the comments. I'm going to play with it some more, and I'll do another update video here in the future. But man, with how sweet this little thing is, let's hold this down one last time, see how it turns off. With how sweet this little thing is, I am super stoked for the possibilities, because with having this, being able to connect to Plex if I'm at home makes it super easy to turn a show on. Like, say the kids are sick, project it on the ceiling, project it on the wall, set up a fort to play with the kids. If you're out and about, maybe you're going camping, doing something different, pop some movies on a thumbstick, pop some movies on a micro SD card. If you do that, you can keep those in there all the time. Who cares? You won't even see it. Got movies built into it. Sweet little thing. Like I said, I'll leave some links down to some things that I'd suggest to make this even better, and I'll do an update video in the future. But man, I am stoked. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.